We're done. Game's over. This is the ultimate wig. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. XOXO Sheba here. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. And if you're an OG subscriber, what's good? Welcome back. The unit I have for y'all today, let me tell y'all something. It's a VPART wig. I have one, a Brazilian curly unit from Nadula. It is 22 inches. And listen, y'all, this is day 2 in this hair. So if you're interested in how I installed this unit, plus all the pros and cons, all the details on it, keep on watching. This is the VPART. You can see it's got the combs here. It makes this V kind of shape, real narrow. And it has combs around the perimeter. Does it? Am I lying to y'all? No, it does, but it has sliding combs around the perimeter, which that's nice because I like the little snaps here because it's secure. But these gonna slide in and be comfortable for you. And then at the bottom, it also has the sliding combs as well. And then it has adjustable straps. So I'm gonna try mine on the side. I already seen a few videos on how to do this. I literally just finished watching Zara's video right before this. And so what I've seen in most of the videos is they kind of like, well, first part your hair, obviously. But then they like tease the area where the part was going to be for the anchor. I'm going for the version where we're just gonna like, you know, just do this without having leave out, because I'm very interested to see how this does without leave out. Because y'all know for me, like a lot of these protective styles is because I sweat a lot in the gym. So if this really works without having to have my hair out, this is gonna be a game changer. I like that the lace is black, because that way, you know, it's really easy to disguise here. Like I can barely see it. Y'all, I didn't even open this first comb. I'm over here like, why is this not working? You ain't open it, sis. I see where this is going. I'm kind of liking it. So fit-wise, I feel like this really works for me. It's very comfortable. It fits my head right. I did adjust the straps to the last notch, so you can still make it more roomy if you end up needing more space. This is how it looks without any leave out at all. I think it looks good on camera and stuff, but in person, I'm not really feeling it with absolutely no leave out. But I wanted y'all to see how it looked because it is something you can wear without leave out. I'm just not totally feeling it this way. For me, I think I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of leave out for me because I feel like it's necessary. Yeah, I'm not even done here, but I'm already liking this a lot better with a little bit more leave out. But I do like that it doesn't take a lot of leave out. It's very minimal. Okay, yeah, this is it. Oh my god, y'all, yes. And I didn't even have to put heat on my hair to blend it with the curls. All I did was like comb it out around the top area so it will blend a little bit more with my blown out hair. But this is doing it for me. It's quick, fast, and easy. You ain't got to leave too much hair out. This is the ultimate wig protective style. And this is gonna be perfect for the gym. I can literally, I'm about to go to the gym after this video. I can literally wear this hair to the gym and not have to worry about, ooh, my hair gonna get messed up. I've really only seen these in curly, but I hope they start dropping these in body wave, yakky straight, kinky straight, because I need them all. Only thing though that I did notice is that it is a bit of a shedding kind of unit. I did notice like every blue moon some strands start coming out. I don't think it's an abnormal amount, you know, that would make you feel like, what did I just buy? But I did notice it. Nadula did what they had to do with this. So, this is day 2. I did not take it off when I went to sleep last night. Obviously, I've been getting ready for the day. But I did not take this off when I went to sleep last night so we could get a full view of how this holds up for the gym. Because y'all know that's the big thing for me is, can a hairstyle hold up for the gym? Which is the whole reason I started wearing wigs in the first place. So, this is how I wrapped it last night. I just kind of twisted it and clipped it up. And then when I went to the gym, I didn't even really have my hair wrapped. I didn't have a headband on or anything. I just let my hair be what it was. And it never stopped blending. I did not look crazy at the end of my workout. I felt like after the gym, my hair actually blended a lot better because it was starting to get a little like kinkier and puffier. So anyways, I put some jam on my edges last night and just took them back and put a scarf on. And then, you know, just had my little cap on, and that's how I went to bed. So this is what we're working with today. So I'm just gonna brush at it, kind of tame the top down a little bit, see what happens. I've been keeping it in this brushed out look just because that really does blend with my hair a whole lot better than trying to keep it defined. But I do want to put just a little bit of definition back in it. I'm gonna use my curly mousse from Pantene, what's left of it anyways. And I'm gonna do that to just add a little bit of definition back into my curls, but not too much because I want to keep it big, you know, to match my hair. This is like the most unclockable wig ever. I'm looking in the mirror right now and I can't even tell where my hair ends. So yeah, gym approved, sleeping in it approved, naturalness approved. I'm in love. Like this is gonna be my new go-to wig. Literally everything I've ever wanted in a wig. I love a lace frontal, but y'all, the whole purpose that I ever started wearing wigs in the first place was because with my weaves, all the leave out, my hair was getting damaged. But with this, I don't have to put no heat on my hair to reblend it, and I don't have to leave that much hair out. It's a win-win. It's a win-win. We're done. Game's over. This is the ultimate wig. Oh, and I do want to update y'all. Day 2 wise, I have not been getting the same shedding that I was getting yesterday. If you're interested in this VPART wig, and I definitely think you should check it out, I will have all the details down in the description box below for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.